Okay, so today we're going to continue to work on multiplying polynomials. And yesterday we took a look at the area model and we also used the distributive model. So I want you to work on these 4 problems for me, and it doesn't make any difference which method you use. You can use any method. So go ahead and decide which method you want to use and start working. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. All right, let's see how we did here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with, I think I'll do the box, the area model on this first one. So 3x minus 2, negative 3x plus 8, negative 9x squared, positive 24x, positive 6x, and minus 16. Again, combining on the diagonal. So negative 9x squared plus 30x minus 16 is that answer. Okay, I think on this next one, I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So 2a times 2a is 4a squared. 2a times 4b is a positive 8ab. Remember, the a's come before the b's. And I'm going to do my bottom distribution. So negative 6ab and a negative 12b squared. Combining, I have 4a squared plus 2ab minus 12b squared. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one using an area model. And I don't need 3, I just need 2. So 3x squared minus 2, 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. So that's 6x to the 4th minus 12x cubed plus 8x squared minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 16. Combining on the diagonal, 6x4. If I combine here, I see a negative 16x cubed. And here, a positive 16x squared and a negative 16. Okay, now let's talk about this last one. So I have x minus 5 to the power of 3. So that means I have x minus 5 times x minus 5 times x minus 5. Now, when I solve something to a power of 3 like this, I actually need to break it into pieces. So I need to take this part first, okay? So let's go ahead and do just the regular distribution. So x squared minus 5x minus 5x and a positive 25. Let's get that answer. So x squared minus 10x plus 25. Now I'm going to take that times my x minus 5, okay? And I'm going to distribute backwards this time. So I'm going to do x times x squared, that's x cubed, and x times negative 10x would be negative 10x squared, and positive 25x. And then I'm going to do the bottom, negative 5x squared plus 50x, and negative 5 times 25 is negative 125. So x cubed minus 15x squared. Remember, we're adding, so that doesn't change. 75x minus 125. So there isn't any way that I can triple distribute this. Okay, I actually need to break it into 2 pieces, deal with 2 of them, and then multiply through by the 3rd one. Okay, go ahead and see what you can do with these. Again, area method of choice, doesn't matter. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do this first one using distribution. So again, power of 2 means I have 2 of them. So I wrote out 2 of them. A times A is A squared minus 2AB minus 2AB plus 4B squared. Notice how these are the same. Okay, that's important as we move forward here. So minus 4ab plus 4b squared. All right, let's do area model on this next one. So 3c, 4d, 3c, 4d, so 9c squared, 12cd, 12cd, and 16d squared. Combining on the diagonal, I come up with 9c squared plus 24cd plus 16d squared. All right, so this last one, I see that I have a power of 2 here and then a single here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this part first to get an answer there. And then I'm going to multiply by the first one. So 16y squared minus 12yz minus 12yz plus 9z squared gives me 16y squared minus 24yz plus 9z squared. So there's my first piece, and this guy drops. That one drops. Okay, and to help us, I'm going to go ahead and open my calculator because maybe I don't know all my numbers here. And we're going to have to multiply some of these. All right, let's distribute again. So 4 times 16, maybe I don't know that one. So 4 times 16 is 64. So 64y cubed, because that's a 1 and a 2. 4 times 24, that's a negative. 4 times negative 24 is negative 96. And that is going to be a y squared z. And 4 times 9, that's a 36. And it's a yz squared. Okay, now I need to go to the bottom. 3 times 16, if I don't know that one, 3 times 16, that's going to give me a 48. And that is going to be a y cubed. Oh, wait, that's going to be a y squared z, so that's going to go underneath this one. So positive 48 y squared z. And then I have a negative 24 times 3 is going to give me a negative 72. And that is a yz squared. Notice how they are lining up, which is good. They don't always do that, but sometimes we're lucky. 27z cubed. That would be my last one. Okay, combining down, 64y cubed. A negative 96 plus 48 is going to give me a negative 48. Remember, the powers don't change. A negative 72 and 36 is going to give me a negative 36. And my 27z cubed drops. Okay, so let's keep practicing today. See what you can do with these. Reach out to us if you are struggling. We're going to move on tomorrow.